here you can see this is our website for restaurant, and it's a Bengali restaurant website, and it's more like a 3D website with, you can see there's some menus here, and it's a classy theme, you can see. And if you try to check the buttons, it's also working, all the links. Now how you can make this, so come over to this website Accio.com. This is a tool what you can use to create you can get AI models all free. Here you can see these all are paid, but I will show you how you can get free. So you can download it or you can try in your browser, and you can sign up with any of your Google account. And after you signed up with your Google account, you can see up there you will get up to $500 free credits, and each day you can get 20 credits. And here you can see all the latest agents like ChatGPT, Claude, Opus 5, ChatGPT Soul, all, and Gemini. And you can switch to any agents from here, and you can connect any of your social channels like Telegram, Discord servers. You can connect here, and if you want, you can also connect some plugins to give it much more authority. Like you can connect your Gmail as well for auto reply. And here you can see you can create this type of landing pages and websites, portfolio, blogs, all in just one click with this tool. So let's try to create a website, and here you can see which version will cost you how much. You can see here. So I select ChatGPT 5.6 Luna to create a website. Just hit enter, and it will create all the files. It will check itself how it works, and it will divide all the tasks one by one to itself, and then at the end it will give you all the files. You can just simply download it, and later you can check how much you use in their uses. You can see we use almost 5 credits here today. Now after you download all the files, you can just open this and see how it works. So this is the site we have shown you in the beginning of this video. And you can also create images and carousel post with this tool. You know that if you try to use any type of editor, you are unable to create, but from here you can easily create the images and any social post. Okay, because you can get here all the latest OpenAI or Anthropic models for free, so use it. You can get the link in video description, or also you can try from Google. Just search Accio.com and visit this site and grab your $500 credit with this tool. Hope you like this, and I will bring more videos for you later. Have a great day.